Okay, so the cranberries have been washed and picked through. Made sure there's no old ones in here. If you run your hands through it, you can feel which ones are soft. I'm following the recipe on the package of fresh cranberries. So we have 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in this pan. Once that comes to a boil, we're just going to add our cranberries into this. Okay, we're going to add our cranberries. A little bit of sugar splashed up on the side there. It's turning brown. That's what that is. I'm going to let these cook and they'll start popping. Just takes a few minutes. Do you hear them popping? That's what we want. So it just takes a few minutes. It's like 10 minutes. I feel like they're done popping. I turn them off and I get a potato masher and I go in and squish them. Here's our cranberries. And yes, I know it's easier to just open a can of that jellied stuff that has the imprint of the can lined up for you and you just cut it. I grew up with that stuff too. But once you make this homemade, you'll never go back. So easy. You saw what I did. I just put the cranberries in a pan with a cup of water, a cup of sugar, and boiled it till it popped and squished it. And there you go. We're gonna let this cool and we'll put it in a airtight container and put it in the fridge.